Friends, welcome to my channel Control Panel Ideas. I am Pramod Pariyar. My topic is DC machine. I request for ITI holders and technicians, electrical work friends, with my video in end condition, and please subscribe by my channel and click the bell icon. Please come and start my video. Construction, classification and applications of DC machine. According to the source of supply, electrical machines and classified into two types: AC machines and DC machines. For example, DC motor and DC generator etc. Tables of contents. What is a DC machine? Working of DC machine, construction of DC machine, classification of DC machine. What is a DC machine? A DC machine is an electromechanical device that is used to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy or vice versa. The DC machine used to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, which is known as DC motor, and DC machine used to convert mechanical energy into mechanical energy, which is known as DC generator. The same machine can be used either as a motor or generator. The construction is same of for DC motor and DC generator. This stator, pole surface, field winding, armature core, this bearing, this shaft, and commutator, this commutator, brush, armature winding, this armature winding brown color. Working of DC machine. The working principle and operation of a DC machine is based on an effect when a current carrying conductor coils laying in the magnetic field. The magnetic field produce an mechanical force on it known as torque, which rotates the conductor coil in magnet field. The direction of this product's torque can be found be the Fleming left hand. Rules thumb is the force. The generated force can be calculated as follow: F is equal to BIL, F magnetic of the generated force, V is equal to flux density, I is equal to current, L is equal to length of the conductor. This map thumbs force, magnetic fields and current. Construction of DC machine. The DC machine consists of yoke, pole and pole shoe, armature core, field winding, armature winding, commutator, brush, shaft and bearing. Let's example each part in details with Applications. Yoke or frame. The yoke is also known as the frame. It covers the internal parts of the machine. The yoke is made up of low reluctance magnetic material like iron and silicon steel. Generally, the yoke the made of the iron because iron is cost effective material than steel. The yoke is used to provide mechanical protection to the machines. Construction of DC machines. This commutator and armature winding, this armature, air gap, this shaft, stator winding, stator, this frame, carbon brush, cooling fan. Armature core. The armature core is cylindrical in shape and connected by a key with the shaft. So it is a rotating parts of the DC machine. The armature core consists of a number of slots on its outer properly. It is made up of low reluctance and high permeability material like cast iron or cast steel. The armature core is laminated to reduce the eddy current. Armature construction. This carbon brush, winding coil, stack tooth, stack slot, commutator wire. This shaft, starter and field winding. Armature stack, this wiring. Pole and pole shoe. The field winding is placed on a pole when current passed through the field winding. It will create an electric magnetic field and behaves as an electromagnet. The pole shoes expand flux in the entire machine. Parts of DC machine. This field pole, commutator, frame yoke, armature conductors, field winding and 4 pole shoes. This shaft. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.